Are you looking for ways to make some extra money? If you're looking to make $100 or more in a single day, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll share 10 ways you can make money online. From taking online surveys to selling your products and services, there are plenty of opportunities to make money online. So if you're ready to learn how to make $100 or more in a single day, then watch this video until the end. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos. 1. Sell physical products online. If you're highly creative and have a knack for handicrafts, then selling your creations online is a great way to do just that. With so many online stores and platforms available, such as Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and Folksy, you can reach a wide audience of potential customers. And the best part is that you can get started for free. There are a few different ways to sell your handmade products online. One option is to launch your own store on a platform like Shopify, Squarespace, or Wix. This will require some upfront investment to get your store up and running, but once it's live you'll have full control over your inventory, prices, and branding. Another option is to sell through a dropshipping service, which is a bit simpler and requires less upfront investment. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who handles the manufacturing, shipping, and customer service for your products. No matter which route you choose, selling handmade products online is a great way to tap into your creative side and earn some extra money. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online. Some people live off of affiliate links and make 4, 5, or 6 figures a month. Of course, as with other types of paid online work and marketing, how much you earn from affiliate marketing depends on the niche you're operating in. Some companies are willing to pay a lot of money for good affiliate links. For example, companies in the financial planning and online banking niches might pay up to $100 per conversion for a good affiliate link. And as time goes on, more and more niches are becoming lucrative for affiliate marketing, including health, fitness, nutrition, hobby niches like travel and photography, and technology. Web hosting is one of the most lucrative affiliate marketing niches, where companies offer up to $500 per sale to affiliates for every new customer they refer to them. If you want to start with affiliate marketing, you will have to sign up for affiliate programs on the websites of the companies you want to work with. Each company will have its own tips on how you can do this and its own sets of criteria you need to fulfill in order to be eligible for their affiliate programs. 3. Paid surveys. Making money by taking paid online surveys is a great way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. There are many legitimate survey companies out there that will pay you for your opinion. Companies use paid surveys to gather data from users and buyers in order to improve their products and services. Taking paid online surveys is easy and only requires a few minutes of your time. Simply sign up for a free account on a reputable survey site and start earning money. Be sure to avoid any survey sites that ask for a fee to access their surveys. There are many different types of surveys you can take. Some surveys may ask about your opinion on a particular product or service, while others may ask about your general opinion on a variety of topics. No matter what type of survey you take, you will be compensated for your time and opinions. 4. Freelance writing. With the right skills and quick turnaround time, you can make anywhere from $100 to $200 per day by freelancing. Most freelance writing jobs will require 1,200 to 2,000 words, but there are some that are as short as 500 words. You can find work on a variety of different sites that cater to freelancers. All you need to do is sign up and list your skills and expertise. Some sites may ask for an existing portfolio, but many will simply want to see your writing samples. If you have a knack for writing and can do it quickly, then freelance writing is a great way to make some extra money. With a little effort, you can find steady work and make a good income from the comfort of your own home. 5. Buy and sell websites and domain names. Do you want to make some extra money? If so, have you ever considered trading websites or domains? Yes, you can actually make good money by buying and selling websites or domains. If you're interested in this, then you should definitely check out Flippa, an online marketplace that offers websites, apps, and digital real estate. Flippa is a great place to buy and sell websites because it's easy to use and there is a lot of potential to make money. For example, sometimes site owners don't have the time to continue running their website or they get bored and move on to something else. That's where you come in. You can make money from ads that are already running on the website, or you can try to make the website bigger and then sell it for more money. Domain trading is another great way to make money. Some domains just have good keywords or great word combinations in them, and some domains gain momentum over time. You can buy a cheap domain and then sell it at a higher price. Some of the best websites for domain trading are Namecheap, GoDaddy, Flippa, and Dan.com. 6. Coaching and consultation. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can make money by coaching others online. This usually works best if you've already established your brand online through your website. Once people begin to trust you and see that you have experience and knowledge, they will approach you on their own. They may ask you how you got to where you are now, and how they can apply the same ideas and methods to their own business ideas or established companies. At first, you may be tempted to give free advice, but as more people approach you, you may want to start charging for your consultations. How much you'll earn from consultations will depend on your niche. Business coaches make an average of $235 per hour, while executive coaches make even more, $325 an hour. Other types of coaches, like life coaches, can also make good money, but usually less than business or executive coaches, around $160 an hour. 7. Write an ebook or sell another type of digital product. With the proliferation of the internet, there are now more ways than ever to make money online. One popular way is to create and sell digital products such as ebooks. This can be a great way to make money if you have expertise in a particular field, as you can share your knowledge with others in the form of an ebook. Additionally, with platforms like Amazon, it is now easier than ever to sell your ebook to a wide audience. If you're thinking of creating an ebook, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll need to decide on a topic or niche that you're knowledgeable about. This will ensure that your ebook is informative and useful to your potential customers. Additionally, you'll need to create great content for your ebook, which will include step-by-step guides, fresh and up-to-date information, and more. Once you have all of this ready, you can then start promoting your ebook on your website, social media platforms, and through Amazon. With a little effort, you can easily make money by selling ebooks online. This can be a great way to monetize your expertise and knowledge, so why not give it a try? 8. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a great way for bloggers and website owners to make money. All you need to do is sign up and Google will provide you with a code to copy and paste onto your website. Google will then handle the ads and you will earn money every time someone clicks on one of the ads. The amount of money you make will depend on your niche. Some niches, such as finance and insurance, will generate more income than others, such as fashion or food. You can join Google AdSense for free and there is no minimum amount of traffic required. 9. Create online courses. In the current climate, many people are looking for ways to stay connected and keep learning. Offering online courses is a great way to share your expertise with others and make a difference in their lives. There are plenty of websites that can help you set up your own online course. Some of the best include Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. Each of these sites has its own unique features and benefits, so be sure to check them out to see which one is right for you. With online courses, you have the opportunity to reach a wide audience and make a real impact in their lives. So if you have knowledge or skills that you want to share, don't hesitate to set up an online course and start teaching today. 10. Work as a virtual assistant, VA. Virtual assistants typically provide administrative or customer support for businesses, and the job description can vary depending on the employer's needs. While it's usually not a difficult job, it's important to make sure you're comfortable with the work before you apply for any positions. Once you've decided that virtual assisting is something you're interested in, you can search for job openings on the same websites that offer freelance work. With a little research and preparation, you can easily start earning money as a virtual assistant. That's all for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to hear more videos from our channel, subscribe and make sure to turn on the bell icon.